AutoStore is an automated warehouse system which is made for handling light goods. And AutoStore is also a cube-based system which is the most dense and the most space-efficient systems in the industry.
It's important for us when we deliver an installation that our modules is coming to the right place, to the right customers at the right time. And to have systems to follow this up in a good way is extremely important. Rambase for the company as a whole, it's a very good system because everything connects. We need to be able to go into the system and find the data we need at any time, anywhere. If you look at the big areas for us, I will say the production module is very good and the Polish factory is using the production module.
Last year we produced about 4,000 robots, more than 20 times more than in 2012. To do manually 1,000 parts per one product, then it's only possible by system.
It's easier not only for us but also for the management team if everything is registered in the system, so they easily can check what's going on here, and it doesn't matter if they are here or if they are in the other country. If they have access to the system, they can easily check it.
We can look into the Norwegian database, we can look into the US database, also into the Polish database. So the beauty of the system is that it's so transparent and it's so you can trace all transactions from A to Z. And it also helps us, or I will say it's very easy to start up a company in another country because we just duplicate what we just have done in the other countries.
To use one system for all of these areas is a good, very clear strength for us.
It makes us very productive and very efficient and very speedy. Rambase is our ERP system and it's our heart and veins actually. So Rambase is what connects everything together.